Hello everyone, Morgan here, and we are going to plant some brand new seeds. If you know anything about me, I'm always looking for the absolute best seeds for my everyday planting, SHTF planting, whatever. Like I want the best seeds that I can use now as well as in the future. And I have been looking for like kind of survival seed vaults and things like this. And this one, blowing me away right off the bat, has so many varieties. This particular variety pack that I'm sharing right now is the Homesteader Collection. It has 50 varieties of vegetables and herbs, flowers, things like that. Like it has sunflowers, all sorts of things. Now I'm picking out the ones that I'm going to be planting right now. Kid Rogue is going to be helping me. She has picked out some flowers that she wants. And then I'm going to be planting some other things, lettuce and some tomatoes and beans and things like that, okra. They have a whole bunch of different varieties though. They have the Home Garden Seed Collection, which has 30 different varieties. They have the Farmer Collection, which is 100 different varieties of vegetables and herbs. They also have a medicinal tea variety, which is so cool. Okay. It has a few different varieties of like peppermint and calendula and chamomile. Sorry. Anyway, she is now planting here her seeds, and then I'm planting in pots to get them started. And once they're planted, I'm going to go ahead and give them a nice drench of water to get them started. And it is Sunday when I'm planting them, so let's go ahead and see how they come out. I planted those survival seeds on Sunday. It is now Wednesday, and the lettuce is all starting to peek out. Look at that lettuce there. And some lettuce is starting to come out here as well. Hey, here's a black-eyed pea. And look, there's a sprout of the black-eyed pea. Things are moving. It's only been a few days, so that's very encouraging. All right, it is Thursday, and it's, a few days after I planted. So yesterday I showed you the lettuce, which was coming up, and it's still the nice morning sun right now. The shade will come over here in just a little bit. But over here we have some okra looking like it's wanting to. These are both the black-eyed peas. They're coming up really good. And then I just saw, here we go, another okra on the other one. So this is the one okra, another okra, another one coming up there. And then we're still waiting on these royal burgundy beans and the Kentucky Wonders, but I suspect that they'll be coming up here any minute. But yeah, I'm really impressed with these so far. It's Thursday and I planted them Sunday. Very impressive. All right, a little over a week later, it's been, I'd say about 8 days. Yeah, not I'd say, it's been 8 days. So 8 days, these are the black-eyed peas. They're looking really good. I'm gonna transfer them here in just a little bit, but they look great. Look at them, they look healthy and beautiful. These are the okra. I'm gonna be transplanting these as well. Now these Kentucky Wonders just started coming up today. So that's a Kentucky Wonder right there. That's a Kentucky Wonder right there. And then these are the royal burgundy beans. They're starting to just come up today too. So about 8 days later. That's totally typical of seeds, like these I feel like came up really early, but these, anywhere between like 7, 14, sometimes 21 days. Like carrots can take like 21 days before they even sprout. Sometimes. Depends. Sometimes. Just depends. Again. But yeah, man, I'm super impressed with these seeds. Oh, and the lettuce is doing fine. I really need to transplant it, but I moved it into like a kind of shady spot, and it gets the good morning sun, and then it gets shade in the afternoon, and I think it likes that. It's only been 8 days since I planted all these, and you can see the progress. Very impressed with all these seeds. And I've also planted them throughout my other gardens here. So I did some okra in here. I did some tomatoes in here, and then I think I did more tomatoes here. Yeah, I think I did carrots with my corn. I'm trying to think. I think I did a little bit of carrots with one of these. I don't know. I'll find out later. I realized later that I forgot to mark a couple of them, because I was like, I'll remember. Anyway, we'll find out later whether they even, grow or not. So Ooh, look at these royal burgundies come up. This is the royal burgundy bean. Look at how pretty that start is. That start. Look at, oh man, these are going to be beautiful. I cannot wait to see these royal burgundy beans. Can't wait. Yeah, they're going good. I think I gotta transplant these like ASAP. And then the okra. Oh man, they're looking good. Look, the Kentucky Wonder. There's a couple Kentucky Wonder. Beautiful. Well, at just about 2 weeks, it hasn't even been a full 2 weeks, and everything is looking really, really good. Of course, now it's up to me to keep these plants alive. And if they happen to die in transplant, that's on me. But man, the seeds came up so good. They look fantastic. They just look so healthy and beautiful. And I'm planting even more of these seeds in my containers. So I'm going to update you guys in maybe a month or two about these seeds. But so far, I'm so impressed. Now, you may be thinking, longevity, what's on longevity on these seeds? Well, I've talked about storing seeds long term, and you can store seeds long term. You just keep them in a Mylar bag, or you vacuum seal them, and they can stay good. Now, there may be lower germination, you know what I mean? But this seed vault, I actually would feel extremely confident in having around, especially a seed vault like this, where it's nice and sealed, everything looks good. And then there's another type of seed vault like this, where there's no light penetrating. You keep it in a cool place, away from direct sunlight, away from extreme heat, and these seeds will be really good for a very long time. And again, they're heirloom and they're open pollinated. This is guaranteed to grow, chemical free. They're not hybrid. They are heirloom seeds. And then you can't buy GMO seeds, so that's a moot point. And then lastly, made in the USA. That's something that a lot of people, including myself, is very, it's important. But yeah, so storage, it even says on the package, storage instructions for long-term storage, moisture and temperature are the most important factors. Keep the bag zip closed to keep moisture out and store in a cool, dry location. So yeah, moisture is going to be the death of seeds. Cool, dry location, they'll be good for years. Just keep it sealed like this until you're ready, or when you're done, go ahead and just put it in a Mylar bag and just seal it, or a vacuum seal bag. Keep the moisture and light out and heat, extreme heat. I'm giving this one away to you, one lucky winner. So go ahead and just comment down below with I'm in, and what you liked about this video, and whether you think you might be getting these seeds of your own. Check the link down below in the description to get some of your own, whether for now or for the future. I'm actually really, really impressed with these seeds. I've had some survival seed vault kind of things, and like survival seeds and things like that, and they just weren't very good. I'm just blown away by the quality of these, and just the quality of the packaging, the customer service, everything. I'm going to stop rambling now. I'm just super impressed, and when I get excited about something, I want to share it and tell you guys. So anyway, get in on this giveaway, say I'm in down below, and please do tell me what you think about these seeds and whether you think you're going to be getting some for now or the future. I'll talk to y'all later. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Bye-bye.